You are planning to undergo PRK surgery. Let me tell you today what to expect after the surgery. Hi, I'm Dr. Krishna Pujita. I'm the director of Pixel Eye Hospital in Hyderabad. So PRK is a procedure where we peel off the epithelium, use the laser to reshape your cornea and correct your power. Now, because the epithelium is peeled off after the procedure, we put something called as a bandage contact lens on the eye. Now, because the epithelium is also peeled off, there will be pain, there will be watering, there will be swelling of the lids and around the eye, and there will be discomfort and there will be inability to see the light. Now, all this happens because the epithelium layer has been peeled out. Till the epithelium grows, this discomfort will remain. So, on the day of surgery, once you go back home, don't try to see anything, don't try to watch anything, just put drops in your eyes and take rest. There is also a requirement for painkiller, which is basically an anti-inflammatory tablet that is given to you so that all these signs are a little mellowed down. So, that is your day 0. On the day 1, as the epithelium starts healing, the pain and these symptoms slowly start reducing. Now, why are these symptoms there? Because whenever the epithelium is peeled out, the nerves which are there, subepithelial nerve plexus gets exposed. Now, these nerves, because they are exposed, you will suddenly start having pain and all these symptoms. By day 3 and maximum by day 4, the epithelium slowly heals from the corners into the center and your symptoms will completely vanish. Usually, the steroid eye drops that are given after a procedure are to be started after the epithelium has healed because the steroids can slow down the rate of growth of this epithelium or this layer. So, steroids are started once the epithelium is more or less healed, and that is when the vision clarity starts getting better. So, don't worry if your vision is poor on day 0, day 1, day 2 of your PRK surgeries. This is quite normal, and as you start using the anti-inflammatory and the steroid drops after epithelium heal, your vision will get better, and at 1 week you should be no different than any other person who's undergone any other procedure. On day 3 or day 4, after the epithelium has healed, the bandage contact lens is removed from the eye. The new epithelium that was formed is usually a little brittle initially and the strength forms over a period of day or 2. So, try not rubbing your eyes during this time. And once the epithelium is stable after a couple of days, usually after 5 days from the day of surgery, you can be completely normal, do all your activities fully normally, and it is one of the most easiest procedures. So after the epithelium has healed very well at usually day 5 after your cataract surgery, you can be completely normal in all your activities and you don't need to follow too many restrictions that are associated with other procedures. Dryness is something that will be there with every refractive laser corrective procedures. So there will be dryness. You will be given lubricant drops and lubricant gels. So make sure you're using them appropriately and make sure you're following up with your doctor. The most important time frames where you have to follow up with your doctor after a PRK is day 1, the next day after surgery, day 3, 1 week, 1 month, 45 days and 60 days. So if you're following up well and you're taking care of these precautions, you will have a fantastic vision after your PRK procedure.